Point number 10 I did is say so don't put all your eggs in one basket. If you're let's say maybe upgrading or something and you have only one subject to focus on, that one subject, if it's like math, remember math has two papers, paper 1 and paper 2. What is very common is most people spend a lot of time on paper 1. Bad idea. Remember, with something like math, paper 1 and paper 2, there's like a 3-day difference, and like 2 actually, because you write paper 1 on a Friday, Saturday, Sunday pass, and then Monday you write paper 2. 2 days difference. So you cannot be like paper 1 J the whole time, and then jiggy you write paper 1, you know this paper 2, you're blank. So what you want to do is alternate as often as you can. Almost imagine it's just one big paper where there's paper 1 topics and paper 2 topics. If needs be, like go through like a past paper dry gene just to really see where are you. What do you know? What do you not know? Some of these things that like help you to like wake up, be like, whoa, okay, yeah, we need to start doing something here. Otherwise, it's gonna be a problem.